Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 12i, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so. Find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which should be somewhere here, but if it's not, which looks to be the case, we might need to add it ourselves. And we can do so by clicking right here on this box and select Edit Switches. And let's find the Do Not Disturb mode. Oh wait, no, it was added, so I just couldn't see it. It's like one of the last ones. Alright, we can swipe down on it. There we go. So you can see it right over here. Once you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. So go over these options, customize them to fit your needs, and once you have done so, you can then toggle it on and off at any time by just tapping on a toggle. Now it gives you this pop-up when you tap on it. You can toggle it off so it doesn't show up. So I do recommend selecting this, don't remind me again, enable, and this will enable your Do Not Disturb mode. Once you're done with it, you can find the toggle once more and simply tap on it, or tap on it to turn it off. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.